In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set status message. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clear, professional note to your Zoom profile so colleagues and classmates can see your availability at a glance. Start by opening your Zoom desktop app. Once it's up, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile. This might be your photo or your initials in a small circle. Click that profile area to open the menu. In the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Set Status Message. This opens a small window where you can write what you want others to see. Think of this like a quick headline about your current availability. You can type any message you want, such as heads down on a project, in meetings this morning, or back online after lunch. Keep it short, informative, and appropriate for your audience. If it helps, include a time frame, like in focus mode until 2 p.m., so people know when to expect a response. You can also add a light touch of personality if your workplace culture allows it, but avoid including private or sensitive details. Below the text box, you'll find the clear after setting. This tells Zoom when to automatically remove your message, so it doesn't linger after it's no longer relevant. From the dropdown, pick a duration that matches your situation, such as 1 hour, 4 hours, or 1 day. If you need something more precise, choose Custom. Custom lets you set an exact end time that aligns with your schedule, like the end of your shift or the conclusion of a meeting block. Choosing a clear end time helps keep your profile accurate without you having to remember to come back and turn it off. Once your message looks good and your clear after time is selected, you're set. Depending on your version of Zoom, you may see a Save or Done button. If you do, click it to confirm. Your status message will now be visible to people who view your profile in Zoom, including in chat and contact lists, so they can quickly understand your current status. To get the most out of this feature, keep messages concise, make the time frame obvious, and update it when your plans change. It's a simple habit that improves communication and cuts down on back and forth. That's it. Open your Zoom desktop app, click your profile in the top right, select Set Status Message, type your message, and pick how long it should stay up, whether that's 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, or a custom time. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.